Many of Fujifilm's cameras are built around the APS-C sensor, including the latest and greatest cameras in its X series, which offer high resolutions and lots of features. But it also has a severe medium format camera for pro photographers, some more straightforward point-and-shoot cameras, action cams, and even a selection of instant cameras. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Fujifilm X-A5 sports a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and an updated processor that is 1.5 times faster. It is designed to be portable and easy to carry around, weighing only 1.1 pounds with its included 15 to 45mm f/3.5 to 5.6 kit lens. Also, it comes fully featured for a professional shooter, offering UHD 4K recording and Full HD video at 60 frames per second, as well as an intelligent hybrid AF system with phase detect points for lightning fast focusing. Besides, it comes with a 3-inch LCD touchscreen, which comes with a notable 1040p dot resolution and revamped GUI for more intuitive use. Other features include a maximum ISO sensitivity of 12,800 up to 450 pictures per charge, and Bluetooth connectivity for transferring files. Another advantage is that it offers a quiet venue mode, which disables the sound of the shutter and controls. The Fujifilm X-E3 is equipped with the CPU for high-speed processing, and the buffer memory has also been increased for an even faster response. It has 24.3 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS3 sensor and X-Processor Pro image processor, by which high-resolution stills can be recorded with notable sharpness. It allows continuous shooting performance up to 8.0 frames per second, allowing for continuous capture of fast-moving subjects. Also, it supports authentic movie shooting, allowing for the external microphone inputs and HDMI monitor output. Besides, the AF algorithm optimizes the camera's performance by tracking moving subjects. On the other hand, it has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which allows for direct wireless sharing of files, as well as remote camera control from a linked mobile device. The Fujifilm X-H1 is equipped with a 24.3 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS3 image sensor and the X-Processor Pro engine, which allows you to capture high-quality imagery quickly and with low noise at sensitivities up to ISO 51200. Also, it has a 1.28-inch sub-LCD top screen that will enable you to view and change your settings quickly as you rush to your next shoot. Besides, it boasts autofocus performance with enhanced capability to track a moving subject. Moreover, it features a focus lever for quickly changing focus point selection in 8 directions. On the other hand, it features a capacity of 64 gigabytes, is compatible with the UHS-I bus, and delivers maximum read speeds of up to 90 megabytes a second and maximum write speeds of up to 40 megabytes a second. The Fujifilm GFX 50S comes with 43.8 by 32.9mm 51.4 megapixel CMOS sensor, which pairs with the X-Processor Pro image processor to produce files with extended dynamic range. It offers a removable 3.69 m.dot OLED electronic viewfinder that can be used for high-resolution eye-level viewing. Also, the LCD features a 3-way tilting design that supports working from high and low angles, even when shooting in the vertical orientation. Besides, it has a 1.28-inch sub-LCD monitor, is also featured on the top plate for settings confirmation and exposure data. Moreover, it includes an NP-T125 rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which provides approximately 400 shots per charge when auto power save is on. Holding the first place among the list of best Fujifilm cameras, we have the Fujifilm X-T100. It offers a high-resolution 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor for recording stills and video. Also, the sleek body design incorporates both a 0.62 times magnification 2.36 m.dot OLED electronic viewfinder for intuitive eye-level shooting. Besides, it comes with a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth low energy mode, which allows you to share your imagery to a linked mobile device wirelessly. Moreover, the multi-focus mode automatically composites several differently focused exposures into one to extend the sufficient depth of field. On the other hand, it has advanced SR Auto mode, which automatically recognizes the scene and subject types in order to adjust the camera settings intelligently. Thanks for watching.